Hey guys, today I am making a breakfast sandwich that's green, or mostly green. Sizzle, sizzle. The sizzling is out of control. Ow, getting burned by the bacon fat. Dukes. Oh man. Look at this, it's green like St. Patrick himself. I need more mayo. Little life hack is to add some Greek yogurt to whatever kind of aioli you're making, and it kind of doubles it way more. Toast in the buns. Egg time. Ugh. I need a real egg too. Already cooking. Ruh-roh. All that extra bacon grease. Oh my god. Stay away from my egg. Massage that biatch. Buns. Ooh, these look perfect. Okay, so let's assemble our breakfast sandwich. So first we're gonna start with some of our aioli with parsley and dill. Do not be stingy with this. This is the flavor. We're gonna do our bacon, egg, and Gouda cheese. Look at that. Oh, fuck. It's that kind of a morning, guys. Arugula. Top this avocado on the arugula. Doesn't need to be pretty. A little salt. Lemon to top it all off. A little more fresh parsley on this biatch. Alrighty guys, here is the finished product. Let's try it. Wow, okay. Whoa. Okay, that's insanely good. The bacon makes it rich, but all of the fresh herbs and the lemon make it feel so fresh. You guys gotta try this.